Hey guys, welcome back for our next part of our science experiment. Remember before from the last video that we talked about writing information, that you're the teacher, that you're going to give steps on how to do this science experiment. So you should already have your notes and drawn pictures kind of to show what we did as far as how to do the science experiment. And then now what we're going to see is what actually happened, because I know you guys are super excited about that. We're going to see what happened to those flowers, and then we're going to talk about writing the steps out on a how-to writing. So of course our how-to writing will be about how to dye flowers, right? How to dye flowers. So let's take a look at our flowers and see what they look like. Look at these flowers. So of course the ones that we put in the yellow dye, they made a yellow flower. And the ones we put in the green dye made a green flower. You can see it kind of, here, let me see if I can focus this better. Taking pictures. There we go. So you can see how little lines on the flowers were made. It's kind of cool how those came out. And then the red flower has some red lines, and it has a pinkish tint to the actual petals. And then the blue one, same thing. It has blue lines and has like a bluish sparkly tint to the petals. The yellow one is really good, where it shows a lot of color on the ends of each petal, and is really shiny and sparkly too. So that's what happened to our flowers. Did any of you make predictions that that's what would happen? I bet you did, right? Okay, so now let's take a look at how we're going to write about this, okay? So I'm going to move these flowers out of the way. Okay, and now we're going to talk about our writing and how we're going to make a how-to dye flowers, because that's what you guys need to do in this science experiment, is how to dye flowers. So that's going to actually be our title, is how, capital H, because it's a title, to dye, capital D, flowers, capital F, flowers, how to dye flowers. Okay. Now, I'm going to think back to the story that Mrs. Prince read yesterday at One Bean. They gave step-by-step directions with pictures. So, if you don't remember, it talked about the one bean, and it gave a picture of that. And then it went step by step on how he was going to make this plant, right? So he took a paper towel and he covered it with water, and then he put the bean inside, and it showed a picture, and it told us in the words what he was seeing. It also then talked about he was going to get soil, right? And it showed a picture of that. And they put the soil inside of a cup, and he put the bean in the cup and covered it with the soil. So it's showing you all that in the pictures. So we're going to do exactly what this author did and show in our pictures the step that we did, and then also write with our words. Okay? That's very important for us to show our pictures and to write out the words, because it helps our reader understand better on how to dye flowers, right? So first what we did, remember, we filled a glass with water, right? We filled our jars with water. So I'm going to draw our jars We did 4 of them. So there's my 4 jars, and we filled them with water. Okay, and I could even draw the pitcher that I used. That was round and it had water in it, and it's pouring out. Okay, so first, capital F, first, comma. After you use that transition word, you should use a comma. So first, we put, those are both sight words, we put water, W-A-T-E-R, in 4 F-O-U-R jars. Period. So first we put water in 4 jars. What did we do next after that? We added the food coloring, right? We added the food coloring to the water. So I'm going to draw the 4 jars. And I'm going to draw the food coloring dripping down into the water. And later on, when I color these, I'll need to make sure that they're red, green, yellow, and blue, because those are the colors we used. Okay. Alright, so next, we added food, and I went to the next line because I didn't think food would fit. Food, space, coloring, and ing, coloring to, T-O, space, the, water, and I can look up here to know how to spell water. W-A-T-E-R. Next, we added the coloring to the water. Okay, then what did we do? We stirred the water. Remember? We stirred the water next with the spoon. Okay, so I'm just this time going to draw 1 jar of us showing that we stirred it. Okay, I'm going to draw the spoon going in and stirring the water. And I'm going to draw lines going around my spoon to make it look like it's stirring. Then we stirred the water. Alright, and last, what did we do? We added the flowers, right? We put the white flower in the water. Okay, so let's draw our jars. With the water. And then the flowers. Alright, so last, put the white flowers in the water. Period. Alright guys, so, and the reason why that worked and how the dye went into the flower and made it colored is because the water goes up the stem and then it goes into the white flower. So that stem is like a straw, and it's sucking up all the water to help it live, right? Because we know plants need water, they need air, they need sunlight to live in soil. So, but if you just have a flower inside of a jar or in a vase like your parents do sometimes at home, you don't need soil because they only live for a little bit. So you would just have water and sunlight for them and air that they can breathe, because flowers can breathe just like us. They take in air and they exhale air just like we do. So they are sucking up that dye into their stem through the water, and then it goes into their flower petals. Isn't that amazing? So now you've written how to dye flowers. You're going to go ahead and finish up your writing, make your illustrations, your pictures look really awesome and nice and colorful, and then send a picture of it over to your teacher so they can see what you did. We can't wait to see your awesome writing. Bye, guys.